Justin Brownlee debut game para sa Meralco Bolts kontra Macau. And to start this ball game, we see the Bolts patiently moving the basketball para magkaroon ng easy shot si Cliff Hodge sa ilalim. And grabe tong Romero ng Meralco. He can handle the ball from full court. As you can see here, tapos meron pang finishing ability. And one. Pero malaking problema talaga literally si Sam Deguara para sa Bolts. Basta mabigyan lang din talaga siya ng bola inside is mahirap pigilan sa loob because of that size. Syempre naman, Diyos ko. Pero hindi naman papatinag si Romero, slamming this one hard. First field goal naman ni Brownlee as a Meralco, coming from the pass of Newsome. Easy short jumper for Brownlee. Kasi ito naman yung disadvantage with Deguara. Kasi wala siyang agility to close out sa mga ganong kind of shot. Tataas lang din yung kamay niya Here goes the Iranian import. And Meralco is playing this kind of game, yung running game, kasi they feel na dito sila may advantage, which is true. RHJ bringing the ball down, then gives it to Vahedi for the end one layup. And also showing his outside shooting. And again, here, another running game, Banquero to RHJ for the jam. In the second period, Macau got the lead pero Meralco breaks into a run courtesy of another unselfish action kahit pa magkakaiba sila ng team. JB to Newsome to Romero for the jam. And then Vahedi locating RHJ for the easy 2 points. Then JB is playing the corner guy, which gonna be rewarded by RHJ as Brownlee hits the 3-point shot. Again, it's like yung game ng Meralco is letting the talent sink in together. Romero bringing the ball again, then ang dami nilang na-attract na help which resulting to good extra passes. Romero for the jam. Sa end game, uminit si Vahedi, lighting it up from the 3-point distance. And then Meralco, nung na-recognize nilang nilabas si Deguara, doon agad sila pumunta kay Romero and walang nagawa yung defense ng Macau sa ilalim. And then Vahedi gets another layup from a steal. Then Meralco runs again. Vahedi gives it to the trailing Justin Brownlee for the jam. 7-point game for the Bolts with 1:27 remaining. Pero grabe tong chonky ng Macau. Akala natin tapos na yung laro, hindi siya sumuko. Siya na lang talaga to Sobrang hirap ng tira na to para lang sa 2 points. And then yung Meralco, masyado silang naging kampante, jacking up some shots and then costly turnovers with Chonky again hitting the big time 3-point shot. 2-point game. Yung Meralco pumunta sa mainit na kamay, Vahedi, kaso lang mintis yung kanyang dagger. And then Macau has the chance to tie this game or ipanalo nila. Pero merong dalawang fouls to give ang Meralco kung saan nasira yung execution ng Macau hanggang sa maging 2.5 seconds na lang yung natira sa oras and masyadong mataas na yung pasa from the baseline to Sam Deguara. And ayun, panalo ang Meralco Bolts 93-91.